Yun, si Hedgehog. Yun ang sinasabi niya. So yan. So order is confirmed. Now we have our Tesla Y. Okay guys, good evening. So, I'm gonna order, actually, binigyan ako ng instructions. Si Miss Trix of Tesla BGC. So, gave me a link. So, meron akong, itong makukuha ko guys as pag-order. So, I'm getting the cheapest Tesla Y. So, Tesla Y white exterior color, yung smallest rims, black interior, at saka yung basic autopilot. But what I get for this month, yun ang sabi ni Trix, I get a 43,000 cash discount. I get the free wall connector, so the charger of Tesla. I get 1 year free insurance and a 1 month subscription for the internet, yung built-in for the car. So yan ang kasama. So now we're gonna order. So, ito yung link na binigay. So, order tayo. Explore inventory, 13,000 off. Yung 30,000 guys, magre-reflect yan. In-house kasi yan. So, hindi siya magre-reflect sa site. Magre-reflect siya sa billing mo once you get the car. Okay? So, wait. Let's check for syntax para sure. For custom order, okay, click order now. Ayun o. Change region. Select the configuration you'd like to proceed. Ayan. Check show price details to see that 13,000 referral is applied. Order with card. Fill out and place order. There will be a OTP. Please send. Ayan. Okay. So let's go here. Let's go. Ayan. Model Y. With the 13,000 off. Order now. Guys, meron din silang on hand. Let's say, ayaw mo maghintay. Gusto mo, in a month's time, you can get the car. Problema, hindi mo mapipili yung color. Whatever color they have, or even if it's the spec, all-wheel drive, wala kang choice. But if you want the car kagad, meron. They have inventory. Ang pinakita nila, meron silang ito. Let's say, I click Explore Inventory. So, they have this, guys, oh. Rear-wheel drive na Tesla Y, 2.495, so mas mahal. Kasi because of the color. May additional 99,000. Ito rin, rear-wheel drive, color black. Yan, 19-inch rims. Ito rin, custom wheels. So, 20-inch, 2.69, ano ba ito? 2.694. Diba? Rear-wheel drive pa rin. Kasi mahal lang 20-inch rims. I think it's 99,000 or more. Parang ganun guys. So, yun. So they even have all-wheel drive, 2.815. So they have already that you can buy kung ayaw nyo maghintay. But for us, hindi tayo ganun. We're gonna go back to the this one, the order now. So order now tayo. Okay. So we're gonna get the, ayan, Arrowhead Logistics referral applied. Order a new Model Y and receive 13,000 off your vehicle price. Okay, good. So exit. Okay, so yan ang kukunin natin. So the basic guys, rear wheel drive, 466 kilometer range. We'll get white, yun ang free color. Kasi yung iba guys, ang mahal oh. If you go, ayun 66 for black, 99 for gray, 99 for blue, 146. I wanted silver, pero I'm not gonna spend 146. It's not worth it. So, white tayo. Ganda naman ng white eh. Tapos, 19-inch rims. Just the basic rims. Black interior. I like black. I don't like white interior. And just the basic autopilot, which is free. Kasama na yung car. So, lalabas 2,383. But, kasama pa yung 30,000, magiging 2,353 yan. Total. Order with card. Okay, personal. So, we'll put my name, Michael. Okay guys, so we filled up na yan, yung address and all that. Kailangan ng TIN number yung credit card mo. So place order. Sana gumana. Tapos I think they will email you something. Pakitan natin later. Ayan. So they'll give a... Okay, so OTP. Yan, si Hedgehog. Yung sinasabi niya. So, yan. So, order is confirmed. Now we have our Tesla Y. So, I'll just screenshot this. Yan. May email rin yan, guys. Pakita natin yung email. Mamaya. Email natin. The order is confirmed. So, we got the Tesla Y rear-wheel drive. The basic, pinakamura, guys. Alam mo naman tayo. Kailangan Y stands for pera. So, 5-seat. 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 What about 5? Yeah. All black premium leather, 19-inch pearl white. Autopilot, basic. So, yun yung order number niya, guys. Yan. Okay? Yun yung agreement. So, click natin yung agreement. Ano kaya nakalagay sa agreement? Alam ko parang after 1 month, you'll pay 200,000. Then when the car arrives, yung balance. Ayan, guys. So, Model Y, rear-wheel drive, 2369. Pearl white, no extra cost. Referral bonus, 13,000. So, 2356. But of course, may delivery fee of 12,000. Order fee of 15,000. 2383. But meron of course yan, ayan o. So, with the VAT na yan. That's why 2383. 2112255 price with VAT. Yun yung VAT. Grabe kang VAT ka. Okay, congratulations guys. So, we'll continue with the video once once they'll send me another email siguro after a couple of days. Okay? Peace out. See you. And we'll do a lot of Tesla Y vlogs soon. Dapat guys, Tesla Model 3. But because they're giving the cash discount na medyo malaki-laki naman. Tapos free insurance. Kasi guys, kung Model 3, wala akong free insurance sa Tesla. So, inaisip ko, konti lang naman ang difference. Eh, this, diba? Mas practical pa. Crossover. But you know me being, I love sedans. But of course, because my girlfriend loves crossover, mananalo ang girlfriend ko. Halo ko. Yan talaga yan. But yeah, I'm very happy. Me and Andrea are very happy with because we have the BYD Sea Lion 6. We're very happy with it. Super happy with it for that price. So we're gonna, when we get the Y, let's compare both. Obviously, full EV yung isa naman. BEEV meaning, plug-in hybrid. PHEV, diba? So, compare natin. Even though ibang price point. Okay. See you in a couple of months. Just to add pala, the reason why I got a Tesla is, I guess because when I first experienced a Tesla in Japan, yung mga Uber doon guys na EV, normally Tesla ang ginagamit. And I was I really liked the Y. It was very comfortable when I sat at the back. Siguro, in the trip in Japan, we used it around 4 or 5 times. And I really enjoyed it. I really just booked Uber just to experience a Tesla, the Y. Yung Model 3, hindi ko na-experience guys sa Japan eh. Puro Y ang nasakay namin at that time. But yeah, that's the reason why I ordered the Tesla Y also. Is because, of course, like I said, my girlfriend really wanted the Y. It's more practical. I get it also. In the long run, it's more practical, more space. The automatic folding rear seats, a little bit higher off the ground compared to the sedan. But I really wanted the sedan kasi, alam mo naman tayo, pag, I've always been used to driving sedans. It's just a little bit more stable on the road. And I do like the front. To be honest, I do like the front more of a sedan than the parang Cybertruck look of the Tesla Y. But there's nothing wrong with it. It's just
a personal preference lang. But yeah, and I was really choosing between the Zeekr 7X rear-wheel drive, which is a little bit more. Siguro sabi mo na nasa 350 to 400,000 more than the Tesla Y rear-wheel drive. But I ended up with the Tesla being my first EV. Siguro I'll bank, I'll put my money first in Tesla. Then later on, because there's so many other choices, guys. There's really a lot of good choices. Like I said, the Zeekr, I really liked that car when I drove it. Yung tinest drive ko siya sa BGC, around BGC, I really liked it. Really nice car, very, very comfortable. Also looks good. I like the style of it. Very, very European in styling. But yeah, I guess, of course, 350 to 400,000 more. That's still a big chunk of money for a car, diba? So I think I'll be happy with the Tesla Y first. Then later on, maybe in the future, pag nagpalit tayo na EV, marami nang lalabas yan for sure. Diba? BYD may come out with the Sea Lion 7, Sea Lion 8, or whatever, diba? Marami, guys. So I think for a first EV, Tesla is a good car to have. Or even BYD also. Yung Atto 3, if you want to save a little bit more money, the Atto 3 is perfect. I just wish when they release the new Atto 3, gandahin nila yung interior. Make it a little bit more, parang like their Sea Lion cars. O mga Tang, ganon interior. A little bit more sophisticated, I guess. Kasi yung Atto 3 medyo on the fun side. But yeah, so we ordered it after maybe a month or two. Hopefully by end of December or early January, we'll get the car. And I'll do a lot of vlogs about the car. And for people who are, who are still hesitant on buying an EV, I'll let you know, guys, what's the experience charging the car, bringing it to Baguio, kasi lagi kami nasa Baguio, so I'm gonna bring it to Baguio a lot, and how it drives, diba? Tapos kung mainit ba yung glass roof, titint ko ba yan, or I'll buy a sunshade. Meron kasi, guys, marami ng accessories ang Tesla. You could buy manual sunshade, automatic sunshade, you could buy, basta ang dami nang pwede lagyan sa Tesla na yun. So I'm gonna do a vlog about that, the accessories na rin. So hope you liked the video, and yeah, we'll see you on the next vlog when I get the car. Peace. Take care.